Hi family, welcome back again to the channel. So today's video we are going to be making a deep conditioning with black rice. So guys, stay tuned and watch this video to the end because you are going to be learning a lot, and I'm going to be dropping some tips and what we'll be doing in the next 5 months in the end of the video. So make sure to stay tuned guys. So today's video, like I said, we are going to be making a deep conditioning. So if you have dry hair, deep conditioning may be your target to softer, more manageable hair, because dry hair lacks moisture. If your hair is very dry, it is easy it will not be easy for you to manage it. It will not be easy for you to comb. It will be just strong. It will be too, you know how dry hair feels, especially if you have four type hair. If you have 4C, 4B, like four type hair, your hair will be very dry. Like mine, my hair is 4C, and when my hair is dry, it tangles a lot, and when my hair tangles, I will not be able to retain length because it's going to be so strong. It's going to cut, and yeah, it's not going to be looking good. Deep conditioning is one thing that help us to retain length, is one thing that help us to retain moisture. Deep conditioning is one thing that help us to make our hair soft. So trying out deep conditioning once in a while, once a week or twice a week, depending on the type of your hair, is really good and necessary for natural hair guys. So today we are going to be making one deep conditioning treatment using black rice and aloe vera. So guys, stay tuned and let me show you guys how to make this is very simple to make guys. So first of all, you're going to go ahead to get your black rice. If you're ready, so guys, go ahead to grab your black rice. We are going to be boiling this black rice so that it will be soft in order for it to blend. So we want to boil our black rice the normal way we cook our rice, but this one is going to be more softer. Okay, so after boiling it, keep it aside, and then we are going to go ahead to extract our aloe vera by cutting off the edges and removing the inside, which is the gel. We are going to be then blending the rice and the aloe vera together. So I have my black rice water, which I used in putting on my hair doing a challenge. So I'm going to be using part of it in making this black rice. So in making this deep conditioner, make sure your water that you'll be adding is not much, because I ended up adding too much water, which make my black rice deep conditioning to be too runny. So you want to avoid that by adding just a little water, because the water that I added, which is my black rice water, was way too much, and while blending it ended up being too watery. It was not now thick. So if you ended up blending yours to be too watery, don't worry, you can still use it, but making it thicker is more great, and it will allow you to just be able to put it in your hair without not messing everywhere up. So guys, I will then go ahead to add in my oil mix. I will add in my almond oil, my honey, and then my black rice oil, which I made. Everything is already on my channel. I'm going to be linking it in the description box below. So I have black rice water, I have black rice oil. I will be adding 1 spoon. I will be adding in 2 spoons of my honey. I will be adding in my sweet almond oil, which is very great for the hair, and also I will be adding in 1 spoon of my flaxseed oil, which is also very good for your hair. So go ahead to add in any oil of your choice, and then this is what we have. I'm going to be putting it in this spray bottle. This is not a spray bottle, this is for my oil, so it is going to be able to allow me to apply on my hair. So you can use anything to apply this. If yours is thick, so just what you will do is just to use your hand to apply it on your hair. So if it is watery, what you will do is just to apply it on an application bottle and use the application bottle to apply it on your hair. So I hope you guys are understanding me right now. So guys, I went ahead to prepare it and then keep it. I did a pre-pull last night, a night before, and then this is what my hair looks like. I did a pre-pull treatment, and And in the morning I went ahead to wash my hair properly, cleanse my hair. So I just went ahead to wash my hair. I want my hair to be cleaned before applying this deep conditioner so that it will penetrate more and work the job that it is made for. So guys, this is what my hair looks like, and then I'll go ahead to apply my deep conditioning. Deep conditioning has a lot of benefits. It makes my hair feel so soft, it makes it more manageable. That is the benefit of a deep conditioning, because it makes your hair more manageable, it makes it more soft, it defines your coils. If you have a coily hair, it defines it, and it makes it strength, it give it more strength, it reduce breakage, it reduce dryness, it gives it more moisture, which is very, very necessary. So you want to incorporate deep conditioning once in a while. Apart from this rice deep conditioning, there are other type of deep conditioning as well. So subscribe if you have not yet subscribed, like this video, share this video, turn on the bell notification. So guys, we are going to be doing our 5 months challenge, hair growth challenge, which will be ending on December. So guys, stay tuned and subscribe, because every week I am going to be bringing out treatment which we'll be using to grow our hair for the next 5 months. We are going to be starting this month, which is coming on August. So we are going to be starting on August and ending it on December, which is going to be making it 5 months, guys. So stay tuned and subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Share this video to your friends and family so that they will be part of the challenge, guys. So after applying it, go ahead to detangle your hair and then put in your plastic bag. Leave it for 1 hour, at least 30 minutes or 1 hour. I went ahead to leave mine for more than 1 hour, and then right now, as you guys can see, I am rinsing this off. This makes my hair really, really soft, and it makes it more manageable. As you guys can see, doing this treatment is going to, improve your hair texture. It's going to make it more manageable. So after rinsing this off out of my hair, I will then go ahead to moisturize my hair. So before I moisturize my hair, I will first of all go ahead to stretch my hair. Guys, my hair feels so soft. Like, this treatment does its work. Like, the treatment really make my hair soft and really, really more manageable. So before my hair starts to shrink up, I will then go ahead to stretch my hair up and then go ahead to moisturize my hair. I normally use the threading method, but I am in a hurry right now. I'm going to be using the blow drying method to stretch my hair, because when the hair is stretched, there is less opportunity for tangle. We all know fussy hair tangles and it shrinks all the time, and which is not going to make you retain length, which is going to make your hair break a lot. So you want to endeavor to incorporate stretching into your routine. Okay, when you stretch your hair, this is going to elongate it. When the hair is elongated, there is less opportunity for tangle, there is less opportunity for knots, which leads to breakage. Okay, so guys, stretching your hair is very, very great. It's another way for you to make your hair less of a tangle, okay, like I said earlier, and also make your hair less of a breakage, especially if you have fussy hair. And again, understanding your hair porosity is a very crucial way in developing an effective natural hair care regime. So knowing your hair porosity will help you understand the best product for your hair and the best way to, make your hair healthy, the best way to grow your hair faster and make it more more manageable. Okay, so let me know at the comment section what your hair porosity is. Okay, let me know at the comment section, guys, if you know your hair porosity, or if you want a video for that. There are other methods to stretch your hair apart from using a blow dryer, and if you want to use a blow dryer, make sure it is in a very low heat, because right now my blow dryer is in a very low heat. And avoid too much heat on your hair, because too much heat is going to worsen the issue. Is going to make your hair break, and is not going to make your hair healthy. So avoid using heat, avoid using hot iron, avoid using anything that is too hot on your hair. Okay, guys, so there are so many ways to stretch your hair apart from using blow dryer and stretchers. You can use a thread. There are other things that you can use to stretch out your hair, guys. So if you are using the blow dryer, make sure it is in a very low heat. Okay, guys. So guys, our 5 months challenge is coming soon, so stay tuned for that. I will be sharing with you a lot of videos of treatment that you can do on your hair, way to take care of your hair for these 5 months, way to manage your hair so that it will grow faster and healthy. The most important thing is to have a healthy hair in these 5 months, and also see our length, ways you can retain length. I'll be sharing with you tips and tricks on how to grow your hair. So guys, stay tuned, and don't forget to eat healthy and drink water, and also massage your scalp. These are some simple tips which also help to have healthy and longer hair as well, guys. So thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate. God bless you all for sharing my videos, for liking my videos, for subscribing. Thank you all so much, guys. So I will catch you all on my next video. Bye.